Well, it's been a while since I put a video out. It's been a super busy year. I've been working on a lot of projects, and I did a fantastic trip, which I'll be putting a video out in the near future. I also have been working on another Locker Stalker project. This one's a CJ3A, getting ready for a trip up into the Sierra Mountains. And I've done a lot of the modifications and videoed them before on the CJ3A that I'm doing, so I didn't do a lot of detailed videos on the individual modifications, but I did take photos and videos of the progress of the CJ3A, so I'll show you what I've been up to.
Yeah. Commercial or sport?
Going on, it's like it's really happening, you know, and then yeah. Yeah, do you have anybody that you would know outside of that's still
Okay, so it looks like we have a little bit of rot in through here, a little bit of holes there, some there. So I'm only gonna do the stuff that I absolutely have to do and try to salvage the rest. So I've got these reproduction hat channels from Midwest Military. I'm gonna remove this and then put the new stuff in. So I drilled a little pilot hole where all the spot welds are so that my spot weld cutter has a little point to catch in and it won't walk around. And usually you can tell when you've got through that first layer because a little rust dust comes up. That's a good indication that you've gotten through that. And this is welded here and here. So I'm going to cut those welds and then try to get this piece off. Okay, so we get that off. Okay, get that all cleaned up. The floor doesn't look too bad. There's a little rotted out spot there that I think I can you know, cut that out and replace that. rock slider going on here. And I'm working on the windshield.